Hey guys, this is Fundo on Pagamo. Tonight on Uzalo, Hleziphi enlists the help of a Sangoma to get back at Nonka. He wants Nonka to break with Gwanda. Hleziphi operates breaking Nonka and Gwanda seems to be in motion. After Gwanda surprised Nonka with the car and he become more jealous to do the Sangoma that he told her. Nyawo feels trickness when a former lover shows up at the station. He sees Coco and Mondli and seems like Mondli and Coco are in love and Nyawo become jealous to see them. While Vika's life is hanging in a balance, he takes the truck to back to Nkunzi and Nkunzi tries to warn her with a rough way. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
Yini engakusiza ngayo mntanami?
Makhosi. Ngize lana ngoba ngifuna isichitho.
Hayi, makhosi amakhulu. Ngabe ufuna ukusifakela manje isichitho?